Oh my god, I feel like this is missing one. The last one, you see, I feel like alright, this one is a red door.
Lubuhi kung di ako. Ikasana na oy.
But this one right here.
Tama ko yung langit. Kasan ba yung
Hey, yo, pull the glass. But honestly, like, and the only reason we go this because I don't know what door to choose genuinely. Oh my gosh. The server room. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. It easily electrocuted this bitch.
Wala.
Tabla man.
Bro, I love how the bottom water just constantly makes a cameo.
Wala, grab. Saan may pag-grab, oy?
Wala.
Kuan.
Hold lang ka.
RB. Ang LR naman sa kuan doon.
Grabe hawa, may damage plastic ni Gael. Oh!
Okay, no, that's over.
Patay.
Oh, tayo may damage eh. Mantay ka. Pero may walay. Mag-pixel.
It's loose. I can't super it.
This is already better. I already like it better.
Infinite winding tunnels. The air here smells hot like down.
10 times better. Smell like Italian food too? Sign me up. Let's go.
This winding tunnel. Every once in a while, you come across a bench with a perfectly made sandwich sitting.
I picked the perfect door.
Uy, grabay uy. Patay.
Alright.
The environment is
Ako may mag-grab, oy.
Okay, everything is
Sa una ba nga?
good here.
Grab.
Ano ba yan? Tok, tok.
Just a luxury suite there.
Alala, simple na dyan.
Grabber magana si Master Bison
You got
good.
all the water, you know what I'm saying? All this space with bright lights and everything. Yeah, I'd rather start.
Grabe ang damage.
Look at the sky like this and you know what? Yeah, this is good.
Boss good na. Alaka.
entire time you're here.
Patay na, patay.
Masada ako dito. Are you a man enough to fight with me?
Solid.
One asad.
Awan. Ayun, start na. Butang start to.
Fight.
Ay, klase kayo ba? Huwag kayo ibaw ay makaraan tao ba?
Karag tao.
Si Wawa, Bridge, si Wawa. Abot si
Oh
Kevin.
my god, this is literally perfection. This is why you gotta go blue every time.
Kana original colors.
Patay na kwali.
Trade pa mon. Ah! Patay ka. Patay ka, George. Hala. Oh, grabe ito.
This is literally just a luxury gym, bro. Like, what is the catch? There's no entities in this place at all. Oh my god, this is literally perfect. I mean,
Chipan. Ay, grab to to.
ain't no allowed to.
Maski na black to eh. Chipan gapon. What a cheap move by Master Bison. Cheap man kay ka, Master ay. Dangin oy. Ba ng karakter oy. Oh. Ba ng move oy, ba na oy. Nanap sa likod. Ikot yung flash kick. Kinuyuan dito day.
That's it. But this last one, I don't know. Maybe the last one I have a chance. Like, if I could just completely stay up.
Master Bison, taro ka. Come back, Master. Come back.
Oh god, but still, that's hard. Staying up for 48 hours straight, that's very hard.
Come back
That's
lang.
the point you're going,
Be safe.
Those off load, all of a sudden you're cooked. All of a sudden, bro. And then the food source is horrible. Yeah, so I guess I was
Kapuya, oy.
just
Kapuya sa charge.
More from the shadow chat. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna watch this V2 version. Not like the whole video, just 11 minutes long, so we got 2 minutes. Let's go.
Sonic Boom.
Alright, start it up.
Sama na eh.
It could go very combination. Let's go. Let's just exit. That would be nice too.
Medium kick for the win.
Sonic boom tao.
Grabe, pas masa. Medium kick to, di ba?
Oh, with you.
Tapos pasa din mo pa ni.
That's the editing.
Hindi pa kay taas, like yung pushback.
Red.
Sakto ra ka, gibutang na ko di sa cross ang movement nimo. Dili man dia sa analog ka, di ba?
Layo ka.
Pareman mo.
Damn, that's beautiful.
Do something about the medium kick. Pila na to inyong score?
1-2.
Kisa ito, siya. Boom.
I mean, what else do you ask for? What else do you ask for? You have complete privacy from everyone and everything. Now that can come with downside because grocery stores and shit. Just normal things. It's gonna be very hard. But I'm just saying, for 48 hours. I mean, this is like going to an Airbnb in the middle of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Just to get the experience of nature or something like this. This would be cool. It's only 48 hours.
Ouch.
Did you not see that, Mike?
Mulag man eh, kana igog.
Oh, hell no.
Hala, grab ta to. Dako damage.
Iso di grab. Say ka nang
Di mo kuwan.
buwan.
Kung nag-grab to na, dako kitong damage.
I thought it's too. Almond water.
Oh? Oh?
Oh, hell no. Bottom basement. Oh. God damn. Okay. That one. Wait, what the hell? My door just standing there. Anyways, definitely the other door is worse. The blue door.
Oh.
The red door can be very bad because what the fuck was that entity, bro? I mean, if you close the door and it can just relax and not bother you, then it's gonna
Master, labaw kay ka. Chip shot lang na.
Yeah.
Chip.
Say din ko ang kuwan sa compressor.
Uy, ako na, lagi si Kuan lagi.
Kanang dili mo buwa dahil no.
Balintag ko na lang.
May ganay ibuha kay ana ibuhang kari, lisod kayo kay naituyok ba mo nang
Ako di ko nilabakan ni.
Balintag ko hyper fighting.
Pirang kuwan eh.
Okay, there's a catch though. It's gotta be a catch.
O turbo. Napatoy turbo.
Okay, kay
Kuan naman siya katong original ba na champion edition.
Oh, hell no.
Wow.
I mean, yeah,
Mm.
that would be easy for me to
Sakit.
survive because I'm not opening doors regardless, my God. Like, I'm sorry, I'm too black thing. I don't open doors.
Claro que-
You know, without seeing those cameras or looking out or something. Yeah. If you have a habit of just opening doors every time
Paskik.
someone knocks my boy, you gotta check yourself.
Yeah.
Grab ko. Sige magkumpak.
anay ilok kay. Toto na.
Five, bisita sa 5 sa token.
Kuwan token.
Wala na, not. Not tag-token.
Hotel token.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Dapat ang token ba rin sa
All these little-
ano. Token sa mo.
Shut your ugly ass up, bro. Alright, just cause
Go.
I feel bad. If you win this theory contest, you can skip the 48 hours here. Already ready?
Sonic boom.
Yes, I won, I think. I'm doing the blue door. Somebody shit on the floor. That's blue door.
Ang rival gyud. Ang rival sa movie ba? Raul Huli ug Banam.
Oh, really? What the? This shit's not up, bro.
Mm.
There's no balloons on that bitch.
Grabe. Ay. Ang animation siyang jumping medium kick eh. Mura na siya crouching medium kick sa ground na. Pero nasa air eh. Oh.
Yeah, I don't think I would be that direction.
Oh.
Black, man.
Ah.
I'm too black.
Ah.
Like
Ah.
I'm saying, I see anything weird, I ain't going near it.
Scissors kick, mister.
I think the right
Napa siya scissors kick dire?
better.
Na siguro eh.
Isa ka kuwan.
Lisod lang ko siya kaon.
Night kick lang, night kick.
Maybe you're not charging enough. Murag kabantay sad ko ana. Murag maglisod gani kung maglisod ko sa iyang bicycle kick gawas. Basta kanina ko si Fighter.
Wait, what did that lettering say though? Don't trust him. Don't trust who, bro? 432. I'm going blue. I don't know which one's on blue. I'm going blue. Am I good yet? Am I good? Oh yeah, I'm not good. Let's go. Let's go. Already entering a place called Terra Hotel. I mean, it is obviously Terra. It's in the name.
One back man.
Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom. Kira-grab. Kira-grab.
May watay.
Murag to advance kay pagkakon ba.
Dito mo forward lang ko ba kay magambak-ambak man noon.
Advance sakit.
Ari man enough.
Go. One ka.
Are you man enough to fight with me?
Mura man tagnas 1993 eh.
Nami bitaw no kanang murag ni naratay is NES no na console ba?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not.
Di na
Bro, your head look like a motherfucking Dorito chip.
Ruby.
Yes, I better keep up.
Autok. Light version lagi na ko imong gamiton.
One, right? 15 to usap.
Ang heavy.
Anong sa man?
Ang iyang side crusher kay katurang light siguro medium. Na halos di kayo mo
Di masave man ang light go medium kay kanto sa bulapos master no.
Ay, ikaw ko sure ay pero. Wala na go.
kay bawa ka sa imong heavy pants di ba? Okay.
Layo siguro yung
Chad, imagine a future where you're obviously still picked,
Ah.
but you just like circle something on a magazine or actually
Di ko mo to si Neil mo best guy in Cebu dapat challenge bisag asa mas cater dili ra sa 5 dili ra sa 6.
But anyways, like man, you just look at something on Amazon your phone, so you just make it pop up.
Itatak na mo gina sa imo si Gael.
Automatically take it out of your account.
Kyle.
Isang kinsa pa mo siguro mo gamit diri Gael diri. Wana master eh.
Ay mo.
Kulating naman ka master.
I'm dead.
You're not man enough.
I'm not man enough to fight.
You're not man enough to fight Sonics.
Ay, okay. Uy.
Kano sa kanya siya may go home be a family man?
Murag.
Random lang siya. Pero may raman ko. Slide tattoo.
I don't know, bro. I'm gonna go with
May go magyamo ka to master.
I'm gonna go red. Let's see. Guys got a glitch away. It might not be that good. Frank Clark.
Ana ba?
Medium man to?
Medium. At least bang masingit nimo sa sweep ba?
And that's a good ass move right there. We got pasta on there. We got a full view and the train, everything. Pretty comfortable seats. You're just there by yourself. Yeah,
Kana.
I picked the right door.
Mura kang panis nimo to master kay slide na lang siguro.
Oh, you can reimburse it?
Kana.
Yes. Picked the right one. Yeah, picked it.
Pero mabot nimong devil's stamp no.
This is basically
Ih, katuta to. Wala, layo to eh. Tiktro man.
Kwanto? Kara?
Kara-kara.
Dubli kara.
Kara tro to.
I don't want to watch that video. Why you crying? Oh.
Sonic
Oh,
Boom!
ikaw man dayon?
To go hit the doors again. Yeah,
Ikaw man dayon?
Capcom Nerf.
You're stuck in an M, so you have
Nerf
to
si Guy.
all the time.
Kana.
So you inevitably have to face all the freaking
Nan,
hits. But you don't really die.
O yung
Kog
o
dami
yung
oh.
screen o yung screen.
Taha ko.
Oh hell no, that one was super tricky, bro. What the hell was that? I thought something was gonna pop up. Pick a door. Okay, this one says.
Ah,
Hold
Allah.
on, I gotta make sure it's take it.
Kana, master. Kana.
Dang it, bro. I don't know. I might go red again.
Nah.
For some reason. Nah, I'm gonna listen to the sign, bro.
Kana.
It says evicted, that means someone's
Ayaw na pagkuhan.
You gotta go red. I don't wanna overthink. Yellow. a black handprint. I didn't see that.
Oh, may gilabay.
Okay, I'm good. 30. Oh, by the way, as we go through this, just like the last video, make sure you guys
Rival game, ah.
play the game with me and keep track.
Keep loose. You can compare to my...
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Resto 10 eh.
Am I so...
Pila na score day?
What the fuck is this, man?
3-3 naman
Hell
siguro.
no.
3-3.
Sige pa. One more.
Naman kay take na dapat, di ba?
Dugay pa kay niya ha. Mas dugay ya kaysa kang Blanca.
So inato gid ito.
Or get eaten by the big black dude.
Tiyak nga, ano doon marilin. Muna siya mungguloy.
Panis gid ito.
Being in the middle of the woods in the cabin, dark. Hell no.
Ang iyang turnaround punch na naman sa dire, di ba? Si Balrog. Katong i-hold lang nimo ba na dako kay damage. Turnaround punch mo dito day, lahi mo dito day. Oh, wait, lahi dito sa 5 day, lahi po dito.
Oh hell no, bro. That's why you said don't look out the window. I'm about to get drunk. Yeah, I know in this place though.
What?
Bright si Balrog, yun niya boyan.
What?
Tick throw man.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Patay?
Prefer you to look, but
Yun niya boyan. Nagaya boyan.
Nakadaw niya. Ba't yung daw mo? Mungguloy.
Ay naman dyan na siya. Na, mura kay si Mike Tyson yun. Biya Blanca, mata niya ba kayong gawas.
this spot's good. You got water and everything. By a bunch of men.
Wala.
Wag yun.
Na-trap man ko doy
Na-
siya nga oy.
Taro nga, ganang kay dapat makuha sa video. Saktor ba kayo ito, nag-video ko na.
Yan eh. Kaya nga na-trap
So,
man ko.
main character eh. Kasi
Kung kasi lang makapatalitin ninyo.
alam mo to, kapitalis yun mismo.
That means you're gonna hear the trumpets. I'm gonna go blue. I'm going blue. Hell no.
Ha 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 ha.
Nope. You won't catch me at this shit. You won't catch me at this shit. I'm gonna fucking take the. You won't catch me at this shit.
Ato yung sumpay, master. After ato, no?
Corner mo.
Madakop dito sa ako kanong hook nimo.
This like this shit again. I'm telling y'all, bro. This on SC shit, bro. I'm not participating.
Oh my god.
Ito ta.
Aloy, aloy.
You say you're getting drunk, then you
Wala
take
matiwas.
See what I'm saying, bro? Nah, you gotta stay away from me going to the parties, man.
Tura ni gawas.
All the time. I'm telling you. Yeah, oh, I picked it right there. Oh, I clutched so bad. I clutched so bad.
Aloy.
Fight chicks are saying.
No!
Wala.
Kusang. Kanina nata ko ilang plano at tugod. Kao na-trap man sa corner.
And that's what for me. I
Di match mo din mini master po.
Nay mo ha.
Kung law mo mo permi ko magamit sa law sa ulo.
Blueberries, I gotta have blackberries. The strawberries too.
Hello, eh?
Mostly I eat grapes and blueberries. Blackberries.
Duta din tanaw ni.
They're so good.
He's so cool.
What the hell? Okay, so you can just look, you get a jump scare, but at least you're not in any type of imminent danger where anything can touch you. And you get unlimited grapes, so that's a good thing.
Lolo.
Get your blue ass home, bro. Yeah, I'm talking about the
Oh,
Oh my god. Marag match raman mo siguro.
what the hell you doing? Bro, get your blue ass
Practice ko para inigbalik ninyo. Balik master ako. Akong kulatahon.
Fine, bro, 'cause I already know that game's gonna take me like 6 to 8 hours to film, bro.
Taas sa target combo.
I'm going on a trip soon, chat, so I'm just trying to get this ahead of time and shit.
Dili gani mo matiwas mo, sir.
Lock in on like a longer type vids and shit, you know what I'm saying? So you guys will get that vid.
Natter dra na oh.
Let's pick, you know what, I'm gonna pick red, bro. I fuck with Poppy. That's not even Poppy, bro. That's how you do it. Fuck with my phone, Poppy.
Nani din itanaw ng mga pro day.
Let me hug you. Huggy Wuggy, don't touch me, please.
Oh. Lo. Ay.
Wala po sa ako.
Chuya sa imong konay.
Unsa to?
Eh.
Thank you. We literally just did.
Oh.
Wow, that's absolutely insane. I mean,
Come on, malikag Mortal Kombat Master.
Wait, low-key, I've been on a good streak
I didn't
so far.
know.
I think I got like the first one wrong, or the second. I can't remember. Bro. But so far, I've been getting a lot of
You are
right.
literally a karaan person.
Oh,
Maskara. Maskara ko nilihok ulit ako.
I don't like that, bro. Like, go long.
You're a legit karaan person.
I'ma go blue.
Gaya, nilihok
It
ka.
might be a mistake though. It might be a mistake. Oh, it's not a mistake.
Push.
The hell? I mean, that's facts.
Patay.
MYB. Mind go. No. MYMFB. MYMFB. Mind your motherfucking business.
Oh.
That's how you survive. shit,
Corner,
man. You get too
master.
curious, you trying to. While they're clearly in the motherfucking cold, bro. You better protect
Di
your.
na ko ipakorner kay di mangud na mo pwede makuha basta makorner.
Ah.
IKEA.
Push. Mura mo to wake up uppercut.
Oh. Okay.
Push. Oh.
Damn. You can't use the furniture.
Mura gito yung target combo. Dito makalagpot.
Like I remember just going
Matay
there,
noong ko.
just laying on the couches.
Nice.
Parawi ka oy.
Low-key,
Half
I mean,
screen.
that's how you go to
Half
test
screen
it.
mo din, no?
Like,
Dili
you guys-
bisag
I
parawi ka nya katong.
Oh, basta malayo lang siguro
Kayo
ka.
kay ka.
So,
Makorner mag-atras mo good master di ko ka execute ko kung akong finishing ba.
Kung ano rin ka to, usa kalayat patras master. Yeah, execute din.
I'm just gonna walk around all the time. You know, it reminds me of the game I played not too long ago on the Roblox channel. Remember, it's surviving in that like mega store. Choose your man. Oh, there's a
Yee.
map now? Yeah, the Dream Man, dude. I gotta just stick with blue, bro. There's two houses over here. There's only one here. I don't know if that means anything at all. I'm just, counting out the differences right now. The difference in the roofs are different.
I-upload ni sa YouTube na.
I-upload di wa
Ang, ang caption kay Grand Finals.
My favorite color. The hell? I'ma just go blue, bro.
Grand Finals Sambag Uno. Sambag Uno Mortal Kombat Cup. Hugasa ito.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to that fam. Now today, bro, we got navigate the back rooms interactive by Liminal 401. Shout out to Liminal 401. Make sure you guys go subscribe to that for more content like this. This is actually a channel you guys recommended to me to do, and I did get a recent comment saying that I should do like a pick a path type video.
Sayang wala ka. Fatality.
Credits of 20. Sa una, ko na kaya na siya. Nindot na kayo sa mata.
So let's see, Jack. We're gonna have to pick a path and deal with the consequences of it. So what I'm gonna do is
Aw na ra mading black diri.
see. Pick a path. Oh my gosh, wait. Okay. So we got the train, right? We got the stairs, and we got the elevator.
Pareha mo sila mag-teleport sa ilaw.
I don't want to pick the stairs. I feel like this will lead to something crazy downwards. Also, the elevator seems I don't know, bro. I'm between the elevator and the train right now. I think I might go train. I'm gonna go train.
Basta nalay makapateliti o upload sa YouTube, sa Facebook na yun.
Okay, let's go.
Katunak clip.
Alright.
Puti ah.
Smoky Winds.
Smoky, manoloto.
Smoky Mountain. Smoky from Smoky Mountain. Oh, 7 hits. Oh, nam din anti-air din ni Nano. Ush.
Okay.
Ay! Sa may tiwas ato yung target combo master.
From here. Okay, so
Di fatality lang nakuha para nimo wa.
percent
Di na lang ko maguna-unag brutality wa.
at all. Nothing can.
Pwede ra brutality.
But I would kind of go crazy just being in a train constantly.
For the video.
But I guess we're gonna be on the
Pili gani animality, babality,
I have no idea where to go.
mercy.
No indicators saying that anyone is more dangerous than the other. Let's go. Oh my God, let's go to the left.
Wow.
Let's go to the left, man.
Ayan.
Let's go to the left. I like how you put the timestamps.
Kamao, it's so unique. So.
Close the elevator. Let's see what the elevator. Wait, actually, should we only skip to like our storyline, or should we watch?
Hala, dikit king score. Ay!
Let's get to 235. Okay, so
Ko lagi. Aw, dali na aman akong black day dia.
Nakalimot yan.
Isa pwede ko out di pwede sa.
Ano na lang, i-practice na lang kaya.
Mo lagi.
Practice na kaya ninyo
Ano
para.
nun, ang Super Nintendo.
Sabi.
let's start. More questions. It's probably more convenient because the video's already playing right now. So let's just pick out the ones, right? Okay. Yo, this literally reminds me of the SpongeBob game I watched all the time, bro. I wonder if it was actually automatic this time back.
Smoky Mountain Winds. Mura magkuha ni Rashid. Oh, mapugungan man. Shit. Tuara.
I just want to get out this thing. Can that be an option?
Lo eh.
Get your black ass out of here.
Wala ko, nakadaog na.
Let's go to the stairs. I'm not doing this. Ain't no way.
No.
Let's go to the stairs.
Oh, punish.
Ah,
Grabe mura naman to. Brutality.
murag marbel.
Semi brutality ram to.
Yo, I can make the worst choice. What is wrong? I should have just went through. I feel like
No. For the video.
Videohon wa.
Kung mag-record na.
Bahala na.
Ye.
For the video.
Ye.
Bala.
Terus kay up down Risk Master.
Down ako. Nagandagano naman ni Sonic.
Kita tamakan bitaw ko kanina. Dasugan ako perme. Bro. Tuara oh.
in terms of tornadoes and shit.
Is that move?
Like it could look like it's not moving. Or
Is that move really cheap?
right on.
Patay.
Like inches away, bro.
What?
That's so insane.
Wala lagi itong
Just imagine, like you said, all
sure.
the sirens going on, the wind being so strong, it pierces your ears. Oh my god, bro. Yeah,
Highway. What nice thing tapos digit. Taro na tinggal version.
90% so it was 100%. Yeah, you know what,
Di
though?
pagin makabiran.
It's more lethal because I mean, as soon as you start the train tracks, you're seeing some dead.
Aray.
There's 10%, you know, it's not 100%. So that means there's a chance of survival.
Wow. Wow.
Feels like it's we gotta go to the monkey first. We have to. I think we'll survive. That's the only way to survive, man.
Kamao ka mo extend fatality master.
And then you can go
Katong code master.
different parts too.
Ah, ito mo full stop.
Kanay sa sugod.
Ay, murag dili. Wala man ni diri.
Naa.
Tawag kami wala na.
So basically, whoever created this bunker got no motherfucking brain cells, bro.
Ay, nananawag mo sa...
Juicy na.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Sukuan siguro na kanang
Carbon monoxide.
natuplukan.
Muani ko an.
Trap the air, trap inside.
Group call na no.
Wala sa parang pinay.
Ah.
Tumutong na.
God damn, bro. What the hell? Alright, let's see what happens if I decide not to go to children's.
Gabi mura ram gapit di kong law nimo. Gana hits. Video eh.
Ouch.
Naman ko diri ang black wa kumaanad ba.
Masa.
I should have thought of that possibility. I mean, that was always a possibility, but I'm thinking.
Tay wa nung koy mapaibog ni wawa da.
Kaya pa-upload ta ni.
Never gonna stop. It was just gonna keep going.
At least ang 1 months lang ba niya? na fatality sa ending. Ano, inana ro nara akong i-upload. Yang ang tanan dito na sa YouTube na ko i-upload tanan. Lalalala. Kanay katimaan ko ng Cyrax ni Noel sa una.
But yeah, I really take this other one. I kind of that's not really big. What do you guys think, bro? This is a very, very fun, interactive.
Nindot ba yung Mortal Kombat wa sa?
Ang to,
Nindot kayo. Nindot yung pagkahimo duwa aw kanang salidaha. Dili uwi.
wala ba ko ni tanaw pa. Karon,
Ano, tanaw din ka? Sa niya?
ngayon ito siya kopya. Mga hapon dito.
Si Butcher.
Hello!
Kuha ang buko.
Kana! Na may komentary na. Kuha mo. Kato, pwede na to.
Ay, di.
Ah! Liwag. Ah!
Kakaliti ni wa. Flame on.
Di ba patality yung sa itong hulugan ng arcade machine?
Oh.
Rashid kick man, no?
Sayang.
Hindi yung projectile lang. Agay. Agay! Oh.
Flame on.
Mau mana sih mong reels so?
Ibidya niya mo?
Ah, kuha to, kuha.
Yo, Mr.
So, pwede rin kita i-download ta one whole video ni cut na nimo din.
Ay, hindi naman.
How start master. Kira na.
Kira.
At least isa ra ka video file na lang ba?
Agay.
Duta sa away basta kang kamao gid ba?
Maupa man dyan si Zonix na ako. Ako, limit lang ko
Di
mo.
akong gikuan man kay kanang kabaw mo paspas mo kuan ba mo kabaw when mo sagang when mo kuan mo paane siya ba?
Oh my God.
Oh, kana lang
Ako
galing.
kanay oy.
Ayay.
Agay.
Kani mo nindot ikuan kana mo live stream. Kita ra mga dagway ba?
Ah!
Nya.
Lisod kayo.
Yung flash kick si Scorpion.
Down up lisod.
Pareha naman. Smoke wins. Kaso lang, katong Street Fighter na ako, layo lang ko nag-video. Okay, para lang makita mo ba. Pero, may padool na dito. Sige lang.
Sayang. Agay. Ah. Ayo
Asa katong kuan?
Oh,
Katong
hulugan.
pakaunog bomba?
Kauno bomba ba? Pero
Abot
ambot
ako.
nalimot naman si Kumaster kay
Buhatan man to na ako sa one button vitality.
yan nalimot na ko sa uban eh. Daghan kong na-memorize ko na sa una.
Let me guess. Dagang kayo pa siguro suwat sa mong notebook to.
Pero mostly ang moveset sa mga characters kit same ra man ano dire og katong sa
Dili.
ultimate.
Dili. Sa ultimate pa riya. Pero what I mean is ang bag-o na karon Mortal Kombat
lain
daghan
na,
usab.
oo. Pero katong nisunod ani di ba?
Pareha ra.
Pareha ra sa katong ultimate trilogy, sabi.
Patay si Shaquille O'Neal eh.
Nagdok ko si Jax.
nako, patay.
Dagan kang nibawan Sonics ba? Magkay-kwandit ka ba na kanang daghan di siya oras na naduwaan agad
For real.
for real.
Ako kalimitado ra akong orasan ni.
As in like tanan na lang magbaga. Pwede na lang ganun siya magmukod jingle.
Oh, kasakit.
Oh, gail man to.
Gail na.
Gail man to.
Ay! Ah!
Patay.
Rubio. Rubio defense. Defense.
Tatay! Bawal daw eh.
Oh, grabe. Masagam yun. Ala.
Gotcha! Gotcha! Gotcha!
Grabe. Tingog magana yung putaw. Daspan siya. Balrog.
Lisod ka ayo.
Ayaw ko na.
Ay, nako.